Hi, friends. This is the math lesson for second grade. This is Unit 3, Lesson 1, Part 2. Yesterday, we learned how to use a centimeter ruler and draw line segments along with those little centimeter marks, just like you can see on page 119. Today, we're going to focus on something called partner lengths. And I'm going to tell you right now, it sounds and looks a little confusing, but it's really not too bad. Okay, so just stick with me and I promise I will help you get through it. We are actually not going to complete page 119, so you only need page 120 today. That's what we're going to work on. So you need page 120, you need your ruler, and you need a pencil. So before we jump into measuring, let's go ahead and think about partners. We spent a ton of time looking for partners for different totals, right? So I want you to think about the total of 6. Now, what partners equal 6? Think about that for a minute. So, first of all, we know that 6 can have a partner of 1, and then to go with that would be a 5. We know 6 can also have a partner of 2, and then you would have 4. And finally, we know that 6 has doubles fact of 3 and 3, right? So, this is old information. We know about partners, we know how to find the partners to a certain total. How does that relate to measuring? Well, I'm going to show you. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to take your ruler and I want you to draw your centimeter marks on these 3 lines right here. So I will do the first one and show you what I mean. I'm going to draw all these little centimeter marks right where my ruler lines up with each of those lines. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to do that for this line segment and this line segment. And then when you're ready, press play again. Okay, friends. So once you are done drawing your little centimeter marks, now what we're going to do is we are going to show the partners on this 6 centimeter line segment. So what that means is we are just going to split up our line segment into 2 parts based on the partners. So 1 centimeter on one side, 5 centimeters on the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to count your first partner. So here's the 1, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a darker, longer line that looks like that. So on one side I have the 1, and on the other side I have the 5 centimeters. Okay, let's do that for the next one. So I'm going to count 2. So 1, 2 centimeters. Draw my big line. Now remember, I'm counting the spaces, the actual centimeters, not the lines. And then on the other side, I have 4 spaces or 4 centimeters. Go ahead and try the last one on your own. See what you get. So if I count 1, 2, 3 centimeters, I'm going to draw my line right here. And then I have 3 on the other side. All right, so now we're going to go and we're going to make equations based on these partner lengths. So we used 1 and 5, right? So if we look at our partner length, we start with 1 centimeter plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Then I have 2 centimeters And on the other side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. And then the last one, I have 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. And if you think about it, 6 equals 1 plus 5. 6 equals 2 plus 4. And 6 equals 3 plus 3. So a little strange, but not necessarily anything that is really hard, right? We're just taking what we know from our last couple units of partners and adding it and using length to show it. And our final question here is, how many different pairs of partner lengths does the 6 centimeter line segment have? So we can go and count how many pairs we did. We did 1, 2, and 3. So 3 different pairs for this line segment. All right, so you have a homework assignment on Think Central to complete, and then that is all for today. Great job, friends. We'll see you later.